Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Techliska. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up Xampp on your Mac. So we are on this website apachefriends.org, and from there you can go to the download page, scroll down a bit to find the Xampp for OS X, and you can choose the versions from here. So here is PHP 7.2, 7.4. So probably if you're going to use um, WordPress, or if you're going to use another CMS, or maybe for your own programming, so this is perfect environment where you can host your PHP applications locally, and then you deploy them to your server. So you can click the download button here, and once you download that, you will have this Xampp OS X file here. So just open this file. So once you have this Xampp, you double click on that, and after that you can choose open. So you need to enter your password because that's how the Mac works. With every application that doesn't come from App Store, it needs to be authenticated. So you need to enter your ID and password. And now it started to install Xampp. So I would recommend you to also enable the developer files, so it will help you with several things which I'm going to tell you in probably later videos. So if you want a GUI to install the CMS for Xampp, I would recommend to you not to uncheck this button. This is Bitnami, so it's an organization that provides you all the packages like for Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, and probably ton of other applications. So it's like a hosted environment. But if you know already how to use this, then you can uncheck that. So I'm going to uncheck that for this. So now the Xampp is going to take some time to install, and this will be installing the Apache distribution. So it is still unpacking all the files and installing the Xampp on the Mac. But for your knowledge, Xampp is basically X stands for the cross-platform, A for Apache, M is for MariaDB, and the double P. So one P belongs to PHP and the other one for Perl. So that's how it is code named. So it's nothing but just the initials of everything they are going to install in Xampp. So it's almost getting finished. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes more, maybe. Okay guys, so finally the Xampp is installed. So I'm going to hit the finish button and see how the Xampp launches. So exactly, this is the Xampp start page. And if you go here, you will see that the server, Apache web server, is working. So if you want to start the MySQL database, you can just start that. And you see this is like the application folder. So you go to localhost, then from here you can go to your PHP my admin where you can create the databases. So there are some test databases that are already pre-created for you, so you can create new database for you. So everything is working fine, and you can always import all the files and different things over here. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions related to Xampp installation on Mac, and if you are facing any issues, you can let me know in the comments below and I will try to help you. Thanks.